Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading. More specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. I teach two forms of gap trading in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. The first one are the morning gap trades. When stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, it creates an opportunity for traders that can identify a specific price level where stocks will A, be drawn to, and B, have a price reaction from in the other direction. I teach my traders how to identify and calculate those specific price levels. We're going to take a look at a couple in this video today. The other thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trades each and every day at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market even opens for trading. Let's take a look at the email that went out this morning, and then we'll come back and take a look at the charts. Here's a copy of today's email. As you can see, went out at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time prior to the opening bell. We had three potential morning gap trades on the board today, and all three hit their levels. The first one, Cyberark Software, CYBR, gap lower, support levels are 48.67, and I gave two lower levels in case the stock continued trading lower. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 55 cents. This is a minimum profit target. The second one was Nordstrom, JWN, and this was also on the board yesterday, and yesterday we got screwed, and today we have redemption. I say gap lower, support levels are $41.96, and I gave a secondary level as well. We didn't need it. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 50 cents. Again, that's a minimum profit target. The third one on the board today was Astra Zeneca, AZN, gap higher. Resistance levels are 33.45 and 35.31. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 55 cents. Let's go ahead back to the charts and see exactly what happened with these stocks and how you can benefit and profit from gap trading each and every day. Here's the chart of Cyberark, and you can see where the stock closed yesterday all the way up at $55.12, getting smashed at the open. Our level identified before the market open was $48.67. As you can see, the stock came into that level, pierced through it by just a few pennies, and as you can see, just a few minutes after piercing through the level, the stock was already at a high of $49.39, and just minutes after that, the stock made a high of $49.88 for a very nice bounce. These are scalp trades. These are day trades. We're not looking for $10 out of these trades. We're looking to be in the stock. We're looking to be out of the stock with a profit and on to the next trade. That's what this process and this strategy is all about. It's for people that want to make fast money day trading. We're not looking to marry these stocks. We don't even want to date them. We want to be in. We want to be out. That's the routine. Here's the chart of Nordstrom, JWN. We took a loss on this trade yesterday. We got redemption today. 41.96 was the level. Stock closed yesterday at 46.22, getting killed 2 days in a row. We're able to identify a level where the stock should have a price reaction in the other direction. Today that was 41.96. The stock pierced through it by a few pennies within our stop loss limitation given out at 9 o'clock in the morning, and just minutes later we find the stock at a high of $42.98 for more than $1 bounce off this trade in just minutes. I teach everything you need to know to trade the gaps successfully in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. In addition to that, I provide full and complete support, and there are many, many traders out there that can testify that no question ever goes unanswered. I want you to become proficient and successful trading the gaps. The third one today was Astra Zeneca. As you can see, the level identified where this was resistance or a short trade at $33.45. The stock went through that level a little bit up to our stop loss limitation did come back to that level and is now meandering around a little above, a little below that level. But the reality of it is, on a Friday in a light volume trading session, short trades are very difficult endeavors. My traders know that. They understand that. We would rather have the trades coming into support because in a light volume market, the path of least resistance is always higher. So this one gave traders an opportunity to get out at break even if they wanted to, and that's fine. But the reality of it is we had enough of a gain on the first two trades where this one doesn't matter. I can teach you everything you need to know in order to trade the gap successfully day in and day out. Come over to lazygaptrader.com. Come check out the course. It's an opportunity to create a strategy for yourself that you can use each and every day for the rest of your trading career. I give you everything you need to be successful. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, traders.